Hello, today I will be doing a satisfying video with this slime right here.
Doing what I'm doing.
Huh?
Doing what I'm doing.
Well, I need a successful YouTube channel.
Copier.
You have your YouTube channel, and I'll use this one. Do you see how stretchy it is? This is my slime review. I'm just gonna do this for a little bit.
You're copying us on that.
Well, it's easier. So yeah. Okay. So now I'm gonna do types of slime pokers. I know some YouTubers have done this before. I know some YouTubers have done this before, and I just want to do this because
There was 4 people
it's
watching.
fun. So the too soft one that says the slime is too sticky and not done. Oh, it's so sticky. Yeah, see, it's so sticky. Just a second. Okay. See, it's so sticky. It's so sticky. It's so sticky. Oh, was it too fast? Hi, it's Sweetie Pie that is so nice and gentle with everything. The violet ones.
Copy our Hannah.
She was copying YouTube anyways. The ones that don't even poke it. Yes, this is a slime poking video right here. And before I go, be sure to follow me on Musical.ly at Goffs, on Lively at Goffs, on every social media platform. Yeah. So I gotta go. Oh, I forgot to poke the slime. I hope that was just the most satisfying video in the world. Bye. Okay. The ones that talk over the slime poking. Hi guys. So yes, it is time for another slime. P-U-T-T-Y. Another slime poking video. I hope that the slime poking isn't too loud. You know. It isn't too loud because sometimes it is really loud and you guys complain. You always say it's too loud, and I don't know what else you would be referring to except for the slime. It definitely can't be me. Bye. The ones that mute it. But the ones that are perfection. That was my sister.
You look like an idiot. Kind of funny. Don't mind the cussing in the background. You're ridiculous. I almost pushed delete, but I didn't.
So guys, thanks for watching my YouTube video. Don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe. And I'm gonna call my YouTube channel something that you guys will know once you watch this video. And then in the next video, I'll come up with some names for it. Because I don't know what it'll be. So don't forget to like, leave a comment. So don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe because it's free and it makes me happy. Bye!